Monster Bass March box.
You say it. I don't know how to.
At the Monster Bass March box.
Monster Bass. I know that, but I said Monster Bass.
What is it?
I don't like that vibe.
So it looks like we got a bigger book this month. It says the Texas rig. So I'm going to assume this is a Texas rig theme box. It gives you lessons and moon phases, so that's pretty cool. I'll have to go over that later. What, your sticker? Dr. Frankenstein. What else you got?
I like that.
Golden ticket, Monster Bass Live every Friday, every Thursday at 7 p.m. on YouTube. I got some stud hooks, looks like 3 and 4 aught. What do you got? Oh, I see that. Oh, it's purple. The new Alex Rudd Hammerhead square bills. What's this? Switchblades. So I saw this on Instagram. These are where you could put these on jigs or, I mean, basically you make anything a bladed jig. You got the missile baits, baby bombs, super crusher, Texas rig, flipping bait, obviously. R. It's Strike King Rage Tail Cutter Worms. So I'm definitely right on Texas rig stuff. Got a tungsten hammerhead jig from King Tackle. Well, that's neat.
It's a candle.
So that's what you don't see in Mystery Tackle Box, stuff like
a
this.
Candle.
No, that's tungsten.
No, it's candle.
No, it's for rigging.
It looks like a
You
candle.
got your Texas rig, got a flipping pack.
It looks like a candle.
I guess. Yeah. Oh, you Missouri.
Ew,
Lipless.
not
It's a lipless. That's a lipless. Rattle and vibe 1 knot. So that's pretty cool. It's that nice red color for the pre-spawn. Well, that's it.
There's some more.
That's the stitch stuff. You got stitch nail file.
No, you showed it.
You want me to show them?
Yeah.
Remi's mystery box is a stitch notepad, a stitch nail file, another stitch nail file, a little stitch brush. Who's that?
No, you said it.
I don't know who it is. Who is it?
It's his dolly.
It's his doll. Stitch's doll, little keychain,
And you
a stitch tote bag, a little stitch water bottle. That's a pretty good box, huh?
yeah, those are the box. We have more stuff in it.
All right, tell everybody bye.
Bye, everybody.